So far we have seen the methods in WebDriver interface and search context interface. So totally we got to find that there are 13 methods in WebDriver interface and search context interface. We will see one by one. So yeah. So first one is get method. So we will mention the method as the open braces and close braces, okay, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. So what get method will do? Yeah. So this is the method in WebDriver interface. Yeah. This method declared in WebDriver interface. Write point by point. This method. So this is declared in WebDriver interface. So interface have only the headings. Okay. So who will provide the bodies to the methods? This method is implemented by remote WebDriver class. So WebDriver interface having get method. Okay. So that method is implemented by remote WebDriver class. This is also the point. Yeah. Right. So interface have only method declarations. Remember that. This method takes URL address. URL means address of a site as an argument. Okay. So in get method takes the URL, like we have the website address, right? That we have to copy and paste it in the braces. So it acts as an argument to the get method. So this method returns void. So what is this? What is nothing but void is we are not, it is not giving anything to us. Okay. When we give the URL as an argument, it is not giving anything as output to us. Okay. It just showing the what we can say, when we performed action. Okay. So we will observe what it has done. Okay. It is not giving any output. So if a method is not giving anything, then we can consider it as a void. Okay. every method gives something. Okay, remember, every method gives something, but what is this giving? Void. Okay, this method is giving void. Okay, this method launches corresponding site in our browser window or tab. So what this method is doing, it launches the corresponding site in our browser. Okay, in our window or tab, it launches our required, that what URLs we are giving, it will launch that site in the browser. Okay, so what is the syntax? We'll see the syntax of the get method. Driver dot, so we are taking so we have declared the object to the remote WebDriver or WebDriver. Okay, so we are taking object, so we can call with that object, we can call those methods, right? If we are declaring object to the WebDriver, so by using that object, we are able to call the methods in that WebDriver interface. So I am calling the methods in WebDriver interface using the object. So here my object is driver. Okay, so driver dot, I am calling get method. Okay, so we have seen, we know that get method takes argument URL of the site. Okay, URL. So when we are giving any argument in the method, so we have to mention it in double quotes, URL of a site. So every statement ends with semicolon. Okay, this is the syntax of get method. Now we will see uh, it in the program. So how does it work? So I am opening my Eclipse IDE. I have already created the project previously. I have created the package in SRC test Java. Okay, I am now creating a new class with the name uh, get method. Okay, with the name get method. Okay, so I'm taking public static void main method in the program. Yeah, the class is created. So I'm deleting the comments. Yeah, now we know how to launch the browser. So I am taking Edge browser for now. So in previous programs we have seen how to download the latest Edge driver software, how to open the browser. Okay, so this is the code to download the latest Edge driver software. If you want to use Chrome drivers, or if you want to launch the Chrome browser, you can launch by downloading the latest Chrome driver software, and you can write the code to open the Chrome browser. So I am using Edge browser now. So I have written the code WebDriver manager.edgedriver.setup. So it will download the latest Edge driver software, and to open the Edge browser, I have written the code Edge driver equal to new Edge driver. So I have taken driver as object. I have created the object for Edge driver class by using Edge driver constructor method. Okay, so now, so here I am using, so here now I am using WebDriver as class, because here WebDriver is the parent class to the WebDriver, so that the child class can use the parent class objects also. Okay, so driver dot. Okay, just I will show you what is the difference we are getting by using this. Okay, yeah. So if we have written the edge driver new edge driver, if we have taken, if we have created the object for the child class, what we are getting, we will now see driver dot. You can see that driver dot. So close method belongs to remote web driver, delete network condition belongs to chromium driver object. So chromium driver, remote web driver, chromium driver, remote web driver. So all the methods belongs to uh, chromium driver, remote web driver only. Okay, so here if you have seen my last classes, I have told you one point that these classes, these child classes don't have any method in it. Okay, so this is the proof. If they have any methods, you can see the edge driver written the side of like this, the ash color text, remote web driver, like that. It has here edge driver. Okay, so be noted that the child classes don't have any methods. Okay, that's why we are taking remote web driver or web driver here. So for now I am taking web driver, remote web driver and web driver, anything you can take. We have already seen that if we have taken the remote web driver, if we have created the object to the remote web driver class, then we can use so many methods. So we can call the methods inside the remote web driver class. So it have so many methods. See, remote web driver class has close method. Remote web driver class has uh, execute async script, file element, find elements, get method, get class. So here you can see that the get method belongs to remote web driver class. Okay, so to launch the site, URL of the site, we have to take the get method. So inside the get method, you have to write the URL of the site. I am writing HTTP, so you have to write the full URL .co.in. Okay, I am saving. I am running the program. I am executing it. Yeah, Edge browser was launched. Yeah, it has opened the google.com site successfully. Okay, like this you can launch any website using driver.get method, but you have to write the correct URL of the website. Okay. Yeah.